everybody. Go ahead and grab your math journal. Open it up and let's write November 23rd, 2020 and get your I can statement written. And then unpause the video and let's get started. I can write an improper fraction as a mixed number. As we continue to solve fraction problems, addition, even subtraction, and some multiplication, the directions are always going to tell us to simplify. And when we say simplify in 5th grade, it means that we do not ever want to leave our answer as an improper fraction. We always want to write it as a mixed number. So in order to do that, we need to understand what an improper fraction is, what a mixed number is, and how you can change an improper fraction to a mixed number. You may already know how to do this. Girls and boys, we have got to solidify this skill. We've got to make sure that we've really got it. So that is what today is all about. Go ahead and write down the vocabulary word improper fraction. We need to think about what an improper fraction is. And here's what we're going to write. An improper fraction is a fraction greater than 1. A fraction greater than 1. Okay, well, what would that look like, I wonder? Let's think of some examples. Let's think of what fractions would equal 1. For example, how many fourths equals 1 whole? 4 fourths. 4 fourths equals 1 whole. So if I wanted a fraction that was greater than 1, I wonder what that would look like. If I shade in 4 fourths, I have shaded in 1 whole rectangle, correct? Yeah, or 1 whole fraction model. Okay, well, what if I draw another fraction model that is also divided into fourths. This also represents 1 whole. And I shade in 3 of these fourths. I wonder how many fourths I have altogether. 1 fourth, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths. 4 fourths is 1 whole. 5 fourths, 6 fourths, 7 fourths. 7 fourths. Girls and boys, this, as we can clearly see, is greater than 1. An improper fraction is a fraction that is greater than 1. 7 fourths is more than 1 whole, okay? Another way that people look at and can easily spot improper fractions, the numerator is bigger than the denominator, okay? The numerator will be bigger than the denominator. Can you think of other examples of improper fractions? I can almost hear you through the screen. I'm going to write a few more. 5/3. What do you think about 5/3? Would that be a fraction that is greater than 1? How many thirds equals 1 whole? I'm going to draw a little squiggly line here. So how many thirds equals 1 whole? 3/3. That's right. Here's 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, but I have 5/3. Here's 4/3, and here's 5/3. So we know that 5/3 is an improper fraction. It's a fraction that is greater than 1. Other examples may be 12/10, 9/8, 7/5, or 10/6. Improper fractions.